So I'm Nick Ellis. I am the Digital Transformation Consultant at Select Technology. I think for us, digital transformation really falls into three areas. The first is understanding our customers and their business, what they do, how they do things and why they do those things. What are their drivers? What are they trying to achieve as a business? The second is understanding the technology that they've got, how they use that, what their business processes are, and how it all kind of hangs together between the business activity and the technology. And then lastly is looking to the future, and the transformation part is about aligning the technology to the business goals for the future, both in terms of making better use of the technology that you've got now and potentially recommending and deploying new technologies that are emerging in the market. For me, the term digital transformation is a bit misleading, because actually it's not so much about the digital and the technology as it is about the people and the businesses, and it's how we can work with people and businesses to help them achieve what they want to achieve. Understanding how the businesses work, understanding their place in the market, understanding their longer term goals, and functioning as a partner to that business in the long term. So I think the one thing that I would want to get across is this is a people activity. What I spend my time doing is talking to people about what they're trying to achieve and how we can help them do it, not sitting at a keyboard producing code. And I wouldn't want people to think that it's a purely technology activity. It's not. It's a people and a business and a relationships and a partnering activity. The difference with Prestige from Select Technology is that we embed the transformation consultancy as part of the service. So rather than simply enabling the technology that you've got now, we are here to help you move that technology forward and use the technology to deliver not just what you're doing now, but your goals in the future. So digital transformation adds on to support by helping you understand better what you're achieving with your technology, the value of your technology, and new ways that you can use the technology to achieve your goals and to support your staff in being as productive and as effective as you need them to be. A few months ago, our SharePoint specialist came to me with a particular problem to discuss, which related to a lot of time being spent by the customer moving files around and manually processing data and emails and so on. So we looked at that and we actually used technology that was already available to the customer. They already had it licensed, and we were able to build a mobile app that allowed them to, in 2 or 3 clicks, upload a file, save it into the right location, add the correct metadata, which is the extra data around a file, and quality review it and approve it all very quickly, very easily from their phone. Took out a huge amount of manual processing, took things out of emails where they get lost and you've got opportunities for failure, and made it a very standard, simple, quick, easy process. I think it's a really good example of how digital transformation doesn't have to be about spending lots of money buying in new stuff. It's just how do you configure the stuff you've got to make the process work better for you, make it easier to do, and make it easier to do it right. So the consulting service goes beyond just talking about technology, and I often find myself in conversations where we're talking about growth strategy, marketing, people, and I can bring my commercial background to those conversations as well. My goal is to be seen as a partner to our customers and part of their decision-making process, and I achieve that by making sure that we really understand everything that that customer is trying to achieve themselves, how they're doing it, and it's not simply how are they using technology, but how do all the pieces of the business fit together, and then that helps me deliver a more rounded consulting service than a pure technology support kind of service.